Bosnia and Herzegovina, a Balkan gem unveiled. Welcome to World Knowledge. Today, we're taking you on a journey through one of the most fascinating countries in the world, Bosnia and Herzegovina. Prepare to be amazed by its rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture. Bosnia and Herzegovina is a captivating country where East meets West. History, culture, and nature blend into a truly unique travel experience. From cobbled streets to cascading waterfalls, this Balkan gem is full of surprises and soul. This country boasts a diverse landscape, from the rugged Dinaric Alps to the serene valleys. You'll find ancient forests, crystal-clear rivers, and breathtaking waterfalls. It's a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. The Stari Most, Old Bridge in Mostar, is more than just a bridge. It's a symbol of unity and resilience. Rebuilt after the war, it stands as a testament to the country's spirit. Witnessing the bridge divers is an unforgettable experience. Mostar itself is a charming city with Ottoman-era architecture and a vibrant bazaar. Explore the narrow streets, sample local delicacies, and soak in the atmosphere. Don't forget to capture the perfect photo of the bridge reflecting in the Neretva River. Sarajevo is a city where mosques, synagogues, churches, and cathedrals stand side by side. This cultural richness is a testament to its diverse past. Explore the historic Bashcharshia Bazaar and feel the pulse of the city. Wander through the streets and discover Ottoman and Austro-Hungarian architecture. Each building tells a story of a diverse past. Sarajevo is a city that will captivate your senses and leave you wanting more. The stunning landscapes of Kravice Waterfalls are a must-see. These cascading waterfalls offer a refreshing escape. Take a dip in the cool waters, or simply admire the natural beauty. Blagaj is another gem, with its stunning monastery nestled at the foot of a cliff. The Buna River emerges from a cave, creating a picturesque scene. It's a place of tranquility and spiritual significance. Immerse yourself in warm local traditions, crafts, and festivals. Experience the hospitality of the Bosnian people. Learn about their history and culture through storytelling and shared experiences. Don't miss the opportunity to try hearty Bosnian cuisine, including ćevapi, burek, and baklava. These dishes are a true reflection of the country's culinary heritage. Enjoy a traditional Bosnian coffee in a copper pot for an authentic experience. Whether you're drawn to history, natural beauty, or authentic experiences, Bosnia and Herzegovina is a destination that will stay with you long after you leave. It's a country that will surprise, inspire, and leave you with unforgettable memories. Ready to explore Bosnia and Herzegovina? Start planning your adventure today. Research flights and accommodations, and create an itinerary that suits your interests. Don't forget to pack your camera and an open mind. Have you visited Bosnia and Herzegovina, or is it on your list? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let us know what excites you most about this incredible country. Like, comment, and subscribe for more hidden gems and inspiring travel journeys. Click the notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. And be sure to share this video with your fellow travel enthusiasts.